Black pepper has been shown to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and promote intestinal health. It can also help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation. Properties. Black pepper contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and prevent chronic diseases. Black pepper can help alleviate respiratory problems such as coughs and colds, as it has a warming effect on the body and can help break up mucus. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to improve cognitive function and prevent memory impairment. Black pepper can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to sauces and marinades. It has a strong, spicy flavor that can enhance the taste of many dishes, and can be used as a seasoning for vegetables, meats, and seafood.